Hey guys, Joe B. Sharp Ottawa. So we're going to be doing a unboxing of the new Synergy skate from Jackson. This is the same style of skate that you're seeing guys like Nathan Chen and Trent Michaud and Keegan Messing wear, okay? So this is the box. Looks like a carbon fiber. They're really nice looking skates. So here we go. We'll dig into this guy. So they come with some nice new graphics on the inside. You can see some more information about the skates if you scan the QR code. And then they come in these cool bags, very similar to what you get the Adea skates to look like. So we're going to open both of these guys here, and then I'll just pop this skate in. So this is the new skate. We'll toss this guy over here. So they look like they've got a carbon fiber weave on the exterior. They do come with the toe guards on them, which is awesome. If I pull down my demo, if I give myself a second here, through the front of the skate, you'll see these three little knobs. Basically, it's like a toe hook. So what it's going to do is it's going to hold your laces through the slots. It keeps your tongue from sliding down. It keeps your tongue from moving back and forth. Basically, it's just a better version of all the tongue hooks that used to be out there. Now you don't have to worry about trying to figure out how to use it. It just works naturally, okay? So again, this is the skate when it looks like when it's all laced up. And so a little bit more information about these guys. So this is how it comes. They come with the Fusion sole on them right now, so the new lightweight sole from Jackson. Inside, you're going to get these new Supreme insoles. They come with a 5-degree cant. So basically, if you've got pronated feet, it's going to keep your feet tilted slightly so that you're in line. So there's a line down the center. That's basically how your tech is going to be matching the blades up to the skates, so that way they know where they're supposed to go. They do come with a couple of different options why we have these laid out here. So if you want and you find that you need a little bit more rotation, they sell a 7-degree, so that means that you are a little bit more pronated. They also sell a 3-degree, so it's a little bit less. And we also sell a matrix insole, so this is basically what used to come in the Elites, your debuts, your freestyles, premieres. So this one over here, that has to drop it on the ground. This guy doesn't have a cant on them versus this guy, which you can see is built up a little bit on the inside, okay? So you come with a couple of different versions of insoles that you can get with them. Now obviously, again, this one comes with it. You have to pay $60 for these guys if you want a different insole, but that is an option. And they're also now coming out with what's called the Barefoot Booty. Basically, this is kind of like your gel socks. Put your foot into it, and if you don't like wearing socks, this is the way to go. Relieves pressure off your ankles, off your top of your foot, and it'll stop lace bite, all the other options, or the things that go along with new skates. So these guys are a new thing. They're coming out with these skates. Again, this is an add-on, but it's part of the whole Synergy package. So there you go, guys. Joe at B Sharp Ottawa. If you have any questions, we're here at info@bsharpottawa is our email, at B Sharp Ottawa on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. So see you. Bye.